Hey everyone, here we are in Galway's Latin Quarter and Quay Street area. This is a really cool part of town made up of pedestrian streets covered in shops, pubs, and live music. The atmosphere of this area is really cool and welcoming. Walking through the pedestrian streets, you can really feel the vibe of the city, from the locals out for a pint to the tourists taking in all the amazing architecture and atmosphere of the area. This area in particular has a lot of small pubs, all of which seem to have live music in addition to the live music on the street corners. We even saw a full band playing outside in the middle crossroad area. We didn't get a ton of footage in this area because I honestly just forgot to record. I was too busy taking in all the views and just people watching as we walked the streets back and forth a few times. Our first night in Galway, we were struggling to find a place to grab food, as we just hopped in a cab to this area right after checking into our hotel that was across town in the Salt Hill area. I asked one of the bouncers outside of a pub if he had any recommendations for food, and he suggested a place up the street that had the best fish and chips in Galway. We thought he was messing with us because he said what sounded like McDonald's. I immediately laughed and thought to myself, is this guy messing with us? But then we realized a couple doors down from McDonald's was a place called McDonough's, which actually has some amazing fish and chips. We ended up grabbing some and eating it around the corner near the famous Spanish Arch. This area dates back to the early 18th century and really gives you a sense of the history of Galway. The area is a popular spot for people to sit and hang out and enjoy the view of the water or the unbelievable sky here in Western Ireland. All in all, Galway was an amazing city that we only got a small taste of. The highlight for us was by and large the people. Everyone we talked to and interacted with was so kind and welcoming and wanted to know why we were there and if we were enjoying ourselves. It was a fantastic time and I definitely want to return to do more exploring. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and look out for more of our Ireland trip as well as some other more local adventures we have planned. Until next time guys, be well and take care.